Preparation before installation. Loosen all fasten wires and wood blocks. Take out the contents of the container and place it on the flat surface of the workshop. Inventory materials. Equipped with one crane with capacity of at least 16 tons. Lift up front and rear axle from frame by crane. Install tires. Rim nuts pre-tightened. Location of front and rear axle with wheelbase 3.2 meters to 3.3 meters. Hoist the main body by crane. Pay attention of the hoisting position. After hoisting the main body, install the rear axle mounting bolt through the rear axle swing frame in advance. Bolt the main unit to the front and rear axles. Tighten the bolt. Tightening torque 1100 to 1300 Newton metric. Put the mainframe with the axles installed on the ground and tighten the tire mounting nut. Tightening torque 588 Newton metric. Front axle brake pipeline. Remove the plug on the brake hose and install the brake hose to the brake main pipeline and brake interface. Rear axle brake pipeline. Remove the plug on the brake hose and install the brake hose to the brake main pipeline and brake interface. Rear drive shaft. Cold screw glue on bolt. Tightening torque 120 Newton metric. Front drive shaft. Cold screw glue on bolt. Tightening torque 120 Newton metric. Hoisting cap. Connect air conditioning ducts 3 places for pipeline. Connect the cap floor to the frame. Install the right pedal. Pay attention to the pipeline. Installing air conditioning condenser. Install the right ladder handrail, the same for the left side. Remove temporary start line. If you need to start the whole machine temporarily to adjust the position of the boom, you can turn on the power of the whole machine. See the following for details. Connect the male and female sockets at the lower left corner of the cab. Line 35 corresponds to line 35. Line 46 corresponds to line 46. Line 10B. Connect the male and female sockets of air conditioning and instrument panel. Line 15 corresponds to line 15. Other lines. Install air conditioning panel. Install the water bottle and sockets of the wiper. Lower right corner of the cab. Connect the battery wires. Pay attention to the positive and negative poles. Turn on the main power switch. Install exhaust pipe and air pre-cleaner. Install fender. Install the enclosure under the cab. Install the connecting pan between the boom and the bucket. When installing the pan, apply grease to the shaft. Holland the string. Adjust the clearance within 1.5 mm by gasket. Tightening torque 170 Newton metric. At brake fluid. Brake system adjustment. Important. The cooperation of two people is required, and the driver follows the instructions of the commissioning personnel. The driver steps on the brake pedal several times to remove the error in the brake line. The driver steps on the brake pedal. Do not release it. And then the commissioner releases the brake bleed screw, and the brake fluid is discharged from the exhaust hole. If the brake fluid cannot be sprayed linearly or there are bubbles in the brake fluid, bleed screw needs to be tightened. The driver releases the brake pedal and repeat the above steps until the brake oil is sprayed as shown in the picture. Quickly tighten the bleed screw. The commissioning of the single brake is completed. Position of the brake bleed screw of a single tire. Repeat the above steps to complete the brake debugging.